At the start of every year, I like to give myself some things that I'd like to make and do. And this year, one of the things I wanted to do was some leather crafting. So it seemed serendipitous when Babylon Leather reached out to me and asked if I'd like to make up one of their leather bag kits. I chose the tabby crossbody kit because I wanted a small neat bag that would go perfectly with my handmade and thrifted outfits, and I would be able to wear it for the more fancy occasions that I occasionally go to. I was really impressed with the way the kit was all packaged when it arrived, and I even had some lovely little gifts in there, a fun little horse and some very pretty little scarves. Each kit comes completely prepared for you to start sewing and uses top grain cowhide and full grain cowhide, and I really think that you can see the quality in the leather that is used. All the equipment you need is provided in the kit, which is great because starting leather crafting can be really expensive when you start buying all the components and equipment, but this kit makes all that easy for you. There's a really detailed tutorial for you to follow, and I'd recommend that you watch this the whole way through, and then as you're sewing your bag of choice from Babylon Leather, you can just watch the little bits that you need as and when you are sewing. There's also online support if you have any further queries. I actually found that the tutorial was so thorough and easy to follow that I had no need of any extra support, but it's lovely to know that it's there just in case. Leather crafting is a completely new skill for me, and I found that the way in which the kit was put together, all the pieces ready for you and all the equipment provided made it incredibly accessible for a beginner. Even though I've done a lot of sewing in my life, I think that you could use these kits to a really high standard really easily with the most minimal of sewing experience. I spent a lovely couple of days cosily crafting my tabby crossbody kit bag. I'd scheduled in an hour or so a day to get through this project over the course of a week, but found that I was in such a flow and so enjoying sewing my bag kit up that I actually got it done in a day and a half. I sat down and started sewing one morning, and before I knew it, it was late afternoon. It was really lovely to just totally lose myself in some soothing crafting, and I cannot tell you how much I enjoyed hand sewing my DIY leather bag. Once I got to grips with the saddle stitch, which is fully explained in the video tutorial, I got into a really lovely rhythm of work, obviously very capably helped by Ghost, and found this a really lovely cozy crafting activity to do when the weather was really rather horrendous outside my little cottage by the sea here in Hastings. If you would like to make a bag of your very own, and I highly recommend that you do give one of these fabulous DIY leather bag kits a go, the very lovely people at Babylon Leather have given me a code for you, which is Tara10. I'll put all the details below, and that code is permanently valid and can be stacked with other promotions, so definitely good value for money. I had so much fun sewing my tabby crossbody leather bag kit from Babylon Leather. It was such an enjoyable project. I knew that I was going to enjoy it, but I didn't anticipate quite how joyful it was to just sit over a few rainy days here in Hastings, slow stitching this really lovely leather bag. It feels like I've sewn a little bit of luxury. I feel like I'm in the designer bag league now. I really wanted a little evening type bag, but a bag that could sort of be a go-to little bag. It's big enough to fit everything in. So I currently have my compact and some lipstick. My phone goes in there, some sunglasses, because I always need sunglasses. This just gave me such a sense of fulfillment finishing this bag, because just sitting there hand sewing everything, obviously with Ghost's help, meant that I have this real sense of achievement. I've made something that I really would have thought was way out of my skill set, and buying the kit, everything's prepped for you, everything's ready, so you don't need to buy any additional equipment at all. Starting a hobby can be really expensive, and I was getting a little bit overwhelmed and daunted by the information I was looking at about getting started with leathercraft. This handbag kit from Babylon Leather was a really, really good starting point. It was a really lovely introduction, so I know that I really enjoyed sewing this kit. I definitely would like to sew another kit, because they've got so many lovely style bags to suit sort of all sorts of lifestyles and aesthetic. For me, this was a 100 out of 10 craft project. Thoroughly recommend it. I got something really lovely for my handmade wardrobe that I'm gonna really cherish. I'm gonna enjoy styling up and wearing, and I'm gonna remember the lovely time that I spent at the very beginning of February hand stitching this with Ghost, getting very much in the way, but it was a really joyful experience. So I'm very thankful to Babylon Leather for working with me on this video. It's been a real pleasure. I'm absolutely over the moon with my little bag. I can't wait to go out and dance around her at the disco. As ever, my lovelies, thank you so much for taking the time to spend the time with me today, or over the last few days really, here in my little cottage by the sea. I feel so pleased that I'm actually managing to start to tick off those things that I wanted to make at the very beginning of the year, some of these little projects, things to make and do in 2026, and I can really feel that I might have a slight addiction to leather crafting, and particularly DIY leather bags. Could be very dangerous. Wherever you are in the world, my lovelies, I hope you're taking very good care of yourself, and I shall see you soon. Bye.